So imagine you meet a stranger. You meet one stranger within 5 minutes, just in 5 minutes, a stranger, you met a stranger. In 5 minutes, he talks only about his job, his salary, his family, his achievements, his problems. Like that person keep on talking about himself only in the 5 minutes. Are you going to enjoy to talk with him? That's all. Are you going to enjoy to talk with him? In the 5 minutes, he's always talking about himself only. My job, my achievements, my success, my salary. Okay, like then obviously no one is going to enjoy to communicate with that person. But assume another stranger, okay, when you probably now imagine another person, instead of talking himself, he's going to ask you, what do you enjoy? What are you working on these days? Okay, what are your hobbies? Like this person asking you to talk about you. Then you becomes very excited. You start smiling. You happily continue that conversation. Yes, those are correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sure.
happily. You are very happy to continue that conversation. Where is the difference? The difference is the opposite person, instead of talking about himself, he's talking us to talk about ourselves. Then we are very happy to talk. Okay? Everyone enjoys talking about what they love. What they love. So their achievements, everyone is very much enjoy to talk, loves to talk. Use that technique. Don't talk about yourself. Create the environment such that the opposite person has to talk, identify his interests. We require to talk only about that. Forget about our interests, forget about our priorities. Okay, like that. So, want people to enjoy talking with you. If you want people to enjoy to talking with you, talk about what interests them, not what your interests. Always identify the opposite person interest, always talks about that. That thing must be required. So, successful people begin conversations differently. Successful people begin conversations differently. First, they will discover, first, they will do R&D, they will do some research kind of thing, groundwork, homework, what other person likes, what excites them, what they value, what they are passionate about. Identify all those things, do some groundwork, then talk about only these things.